Phones, iPads, computers, we spend so much time on these devices. Let me give you 5 tips that you can do that will keep your eyes feeling healthy, happy, and you seeing the best you possibly can. So first of all, when we're on screens, we tend to stare. When we stare, we don't blink. When we don't blink, your eyes dry out. In addition, when you do blink, it's a half blink. And the way your body works is the lids need to hit and pull out the oil layer that stop your tears from evaporating. Well, you're doing it half as much and you're doing it inefficiently. So let me give you 5 things we can do to help with that. Number 1, the 20-20-20 rule. Every 20 minutes, take 20 seconds, look 20 feet away, blink, relax your eyes, they'll thank you for it. Number 2, blink. Yes, blinking. When we're on phones, screens, or devices, we tend to stare. Take a sticky note, a Post-it, write the word blink, put it at the corner of your computer. Every time you see it, just blink your eyes. Something that simple will give you a ton of relief. Number 3, you want to use artificial tears. Now, don't just use any artificial tear. As you know, there's a million to choose from. Systane Complete or Systane Balance. Those are the 2 I recommend. This is because they replace the lipid layer. Tears are made up of 2 things, water and oil. The oil stops your tears from evaporating. Most people do not have a water problem. That's why your eyes are constantly watering and tears go on your face. If you get the lipid layer tear, it's gonna replace the oil that you're not producing from your lids and stop them from evaporating. So Systane Complete or Systane Balance are the 2 that I recommend. Number 4, drink water. Yes, hydrating your body will help hydrate your eyes. Now remember, the more water you drink, the more you're gonna have to go to the bathroom. What is this gonna help you do? Take breaks and blink, right? When you're walking, blink your eyes. But the more water you drink, the more tears you'll produce, and then the more times you get up to go to the bathroom, the more breaks you're gonna take. This is a win-win. Number 5, take that phone, screen, or device and move it further away from your eyes. This is gonna make your eyes feel more comfortable. You're not gonna focus nearly as hard. This will help relax them. You'll thank me for it, so will your eyes. All right, so there you have it, my friends. My 5 favorite tips to help you be more productive on that screen, phone, or computer. Now remember, a little is better than none. Pick 1, 2, or 3 of these and your eyes will be thanking you for it. I love talking about dry eye. If you like this video, like, subscribe, ring the bell, leave a comment below. We want to hear from you. We want to answer the questions that you have. We're here to help out. We'll have more videos for you next week.